Rank Math is a leading WordPress SEO plugin with more than 3 million active installations. It has received a solid 4.9 out of 5 stars rating from the average of over 7.1k user reviews. But the real question is, does Rank Math live up to the hype? We have tested it and are ready to guide you through Rank Math's installation, configuration, key features, and customer support options. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Rank Math is the right SEO plugin to enhance your website's SEO performance. Now, let's dive into the world of Rank Math and uncover its hidden gems. Rank Math is an all-in-one WordPress SEO plugin that makes optimizing content easy for users regardless of their experience level. It offers built-in suggestions and customizable settings that allow users to control important SEO elements. With 15 plus built-in modules, you can fine-tune your website's SEO as you want. In terms of pricing, Rank Math offers a free version with essential features, while its top competitor plugin Yoast offers its premium plan starting at $99 per year for one website. Rank Math has a starting price of its premium version at just $6.99 per month, that is $83.88 per year for unlimited websites. So it's an excellent choice to elevate their site's SEO strategy long term. Now check out the pros and cons of Rank Math. Some of the pros of Rank Math are: it includes a user-friendly interface and setup wizard. You can optimize your content for 5 keywords even on the free plan. Quickly generate SEO optimized content with Rank Math's built-in AI feature, Content AI, compatible with the major WordPress plugins and themes. Provides a 30-day money-back guarantee policy. The cons of Rank Math are: too many features can be overwhelming for beginners. Many features often go unnoticed and remain unused. With that, let's directly move into the installation and setup process of Rank Math. The process to install Rank Math is just like any other WordPress plugin. You can install the free plugin right on your WordPress dashboard or purchase a premium plan from its website and upload it to your website. Check out our tutorial on how to install a WordPress plugin and the Rank Math review article to get detailed instructions. For this video, we have already installed and activated the Rank Math plugin. Plus, we have connected it to our Rank Math Pro account. Once that's done, you'll land on the setup wizard. Rank Math offers 3 setup modes. Among them, let's pick the advanced mode and click Start Wizard. First, enter your website details like type and logo, then hit Save and Continue. Similarly, configure the available Google services if you want. Next, adjust the XML sitemap, news sitemap, and video sitemap options helpful for crawling and indexing. Further, enable the required SEO tweaks and again press Save and Continue. Following that, click Setup Advanced Options. There, you can use the Role Manager module to manage user roles and responsibilities. Then, enable the 404 Monitor and Redirections modules. Next, configure the schema markup options. Afterward, click the Save and Continue button for the last time. This redirects back to your WordPress dashboard with all the modules shown in the Setup Wizard configured to begin using it. With that, let's jump right into the key features and highlights of Rank Math. First, Rank Math prioritizes on-page SEO to optimize your content using the right keywords and search intent. Simply put, you can add the relevant focus keywords to your post like this. Now you'll get guidance on seamlessly integrating them into your content to get optimized for those keywords. Further, you'll get real-time suggestions based on SEO tips and practices, including readability and keyword density. You'll know that your content is optimized if the SEO score becomes green. Best of all, Rank Math's AI capabilities remove the hassle of manually addressing the suggestions. Just click the Fix with AI option and your content will be optimized as mentioned in the suggestion through the help of AI. Plus, you'll get an edit snippet option to customize how your content appears in the search engine results. This includes the SEO title, permalink, and meta description. Now, introducing the most powerful Rank Math feature, Content AI. Enabling the Content AI module, you'll get 40 plus tools to ease SEO optimized content creation. Some of them include Blog Post Wizard, Blog Post Idea, Blog Post Outline, etc. For example, let's use the Post Title tool. Just enter your post summary and then pick your target audience, preferred tone, blog style, title length, output language, and the number of outputs you want. Then click Generate. Copy the preferred title and paste it on your post. That's it. Along with that, you'll get a content editor where you can generate content based on your given instructions like focus keyword. On top of that, Rank Math also introduces RankBot, your personal assistant. With 125 plus pre-configured prompts, it lets you kickstart content creation. Broken links negatively impact your website. So Rank Math provides the 404 monitor and redirections modules. Just enable these modules and configure their settings. Now navigate to the 404 monitor menu and you'll get a list of all the broken links or missing pages on your website that show 404 errors to your visitors. Let's say redirecting the broken link of this example becomes necessary. Then hover over and click the redirect option, which takes you to the redirections module. Here, add the destination URL, redirection type and all the details. Then click Update Redirection. With that, your visitors will be redirected from your faulty URLs to the correct URLs, keeping your visitors and search engines happy. Check out the detailed guide on how to use Rank Math's tools to recover lost traffic in this guide. The need to install an additional analytics plugin is no longer needed, thanks to Rank Math's Advanced Analytics module. After you enable this module, click the Settings button. Now configure the settings for Search Console, Analytics and AdSense. Following that, navigate to the Analytics menu and there you have it, an analytics dashboard that summarizes your entire website insights with the overall optimization score. Further, Site Analytics shows how well your content is optimized with the SEO score. SEO performance is all about impressions and positions of your posts and pages. Similarly, Keywords does the same but for the ranked keywords. Lastly, Rank Tracker lets you add and manage your ranking keywords. Want to further enhance your website's visibility in search engines? Rank Math's improved schema generator lets you add structured data to your posts. If you open the Rank Math schema option on your post, then you can find that it already has a suitable schema added by default. You can simply edit the schema if you want to change the data. Suppose you want to add another schema, then click Schema Generator and you'll find several schema templates to choose from. Just click the Use option, type the details and click Save for this post. The list does not stop here. Rank Math contains several more modules and tools. First, let's enable the Instant Indexing module and access its settings. There you can auto-submit the new posts, pages or media for indexing to notify search engines. Then click Save Changes. Similarly, let's enable the SEO Analyzer module and access its settings. There, you can evaluate your site's SEO health with suggestions to improve its performance and visibility. On the Competitor Analyzer tab, you can insert a competitor's website URL and click Start Audit. By doing that, you'll get to compare your site's SEO performance with that of a competitor. Next up, let's enable the Image SEO module and access its settings. Now you can enable the options to automatically add the missing alt attributes, titles, captions and several other image optimization options. Some of the other useful modules include WooCommerce SEO, Local SEO, the Podcast module and the Advanced Custom Fields module and so on. Alright, now let's talk about the customer support options in Rank Math. Rank Math offers excellent customer support to all of its users. Free users can access the Rank Math support forum on WordPress.org and browse the knowledge base for helpful articles. For more direct assistance, you can visit the Rank Math website's Help menu. There you can either chat with RankBot or use the support page to submit a ticket. As a premium plan user, you'll get 24/7 priority support right from your account. Here is a quick comparison table between Rank Math and its top 2 competitors, Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO. These are the active installations and average ratings of the plugins. Here, Rank Math stays strong in both aspects. Moreover, the free Rank Math plugin allows content optimization with up to 5 keywords at once. In Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO, it's just 1 keyword. Rank Math includes the Content AI module for content generation and SEO optimization. However, Yoast SEO does not have AI capabilities and All-in-One SEO only has AI writing assistant. Best of all, Rank Math has built-in 404 monitor and redirection modules. However, it's only available in the premium plans of other plugins. Lastly, these are the starting prices of the plugins. We can clearly see that Rank Math stands out for its affordability, making it the best option for users managing multiple sites on a budget. In the end, is Rank Math worth your time and money? The answer is yes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced website owner, Rank Math's user-friendly interface and powerful features make it essential for boosting your website's SEO. That's the end of our Rank Math review. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment and share. Ready to boost your website SEO? Check the link in the description to get started today and make sure to subscribe to Site Saga for more exciting content.